Hi, this is Susie Jennings. We are at the warehouse of Operation Care International. We're preparing for an amazing event next Saturday at Cornerstone Baptist Church. It is called Banquet of Love, where we celebrate pre-Easter celebration and spring. And we're going to have a big party for our homeless and impoverished children and families right there in South Dallas. We're preparing lots of goods. We will provide socks and shoes, and also food, entertainment, evangelism. We're going to share the love of Christ in this resurrection celebration. So all this are being prepared. So a lot of preparation needs to be done to make this happen. And also, we have lots of children. We're inviting children from the ISD that will be coming. There will be a carnival show. There will be prizes. There will be Homeless Got Talent show, where we'll have 7 of our homeless men and women that will compete for a grand prize. The grand prize winner will be taken to a hotel for overnight stay, and also a dinner and breakfast in bed. That will be the first prize winner. And the second winner will have a spa and nail polish and food and clothing. So it's gonna be an amazing day of celebration to give joy and hope to our homeless and impoverished families in South Dallas. Well, not only that, we're celebrating the resurrection. We're gonna tell them about the love of Christ. We could only do this with your help. So we need you to please help us make this happen. We still need to buy some shoes and also some other goods for this event. Could you help us? Every dollar counts. Go to opcare.org, opcare.org, and help us give joy and hope to our homeless and impoverished friends in Dallas. And most of all, your investment is for eternity. Every dollar counts. Every dollar is going to help change a life.